When you look up at the night sky, you might spot a moving star of light. Once it was almost certainly the International Space Station. But now there is another, the Tiangong Space Station, China's heavenly palace, carving its own path across the heavens. As of August 2025, these two stations are the only fully operational human outposts in orbit. The ISS, a symbol of global cooperation, and Tiangong, a modern newcomer, represent a new era in space exploration. For over 20 years, the ISS stood alone, uniting former rivals in pursuit of science and discovery. Tiangong's arrival signals that building and maintaining a long-term human presence in space is no longer limited to the original ISS partnership. This isn't just competition, it's about expanding humanity's reach, creating more opportunities for research and innovation. Tiangong, though smaller, benefits from decades of technological advancement, offering a streamlined, modern design. As the ISS nears retirement, Tiangong and upcoming commercial ventures are shaping the next chapter of life in orbit. The sky is no longer the limit, it's becoming a place of residence, work, and innovation. Tiangong isn't just newer, it's fundamentally more advanced. Its propulsion and attitude control systems are a leap forward. 12 control moment gyroscopes allow orientation changes without burning fuel. Hall effect thrusters, powered by solar energy, gently but efficiently keep Tiangong in orbit, reducing the need for constant resupply. Unlike the ISS, which needs frequent cargo missions just for propellant, Tiangong's efficient systems free up space for science and crew supplies. The result? A more self-sufficient station, better suited for long-duration missions. Tiangong's stability is a boon for science. Its quiet, vibration-free environment enables more precise microgravity experiments. This isn't just about saving fuel, it's about creating a superior laboratory in the sky. Tiangong's technology sets a new standard for future space habitats. It's a platform built for both efficiency and discovery. Side by side, Tiangong and the ISS reveal two eras of engineering. The ISS, a sprawling patchwork of international modules, is a marvel of its time but complex and aging. Tiangong's design is sleek and integrated, modules built to work together from the start, forming a compact T-shaped station. Its solar arrays are smaller yet more efficient, tracking the sun on two axes for maximum power. Tiangong's standardized docking and automated refueling make it adaptable and future-proof, unlike the ISS's mix of systems. The ISS's massive truss and solar wings were cutting-edge in the 1990s. Tiangong's streamlined approach reflects modern advances. Tiangong's unified systems simplify logistics and open doors for expansion and servicing. The contrast is clear. The ISS is a grand legacy, but Tiangong is the blueprint for the next generation. The future of orbital platforms is modular, efficient, and ready for what comes next. Tiangong leads the way. The International Space Station is one of humanity's greatest engineering feats, continuously inhabited for over 2 decades. It's hosted thousands of experiments and astronauts from nearly 20 countries, teaching us how to live and work in space. But the ISS is showing its age. Designed for 15 years, now approaching 30, it faces metal fatigue, outdated systems, and increasing maintenance. Astronauts spend more time on repairs than research, and the station's reliance on frequent resupply is a growing burden. Its technology, once state-of-the-art, now lags behind modern designs like Tiangong. The ISS's planned retirement around 2030 will be a dignified end, with a controlled deorbit over the Pacific. This isn't a setback, it's a transition. The ISS's legacy is the foundation for the next generation of stations. Its end will clear the way for newer, more capable, and commercially operated platforms. The torch is being passed to the future. As the ISS era closes, private enterprise is stepping up, led by Axiom Space. Axiom is building modules that will first attach to the ISS, then detach to form the world's first commercial space station. This partnership with NASA ensures a seamless transition and leverages decades of expertise. Axiom's model opens space to new customers, national agencies, private companies, and researchers from around the world. The station will serve as a laboratory, factory, and even a destination for space tourists. Axiom has already flown private astronaut missions, and with its own station, it will expand access dramatically. Space tourism will help fund science and research, creating a sustainable economic model. The business of space is about to get much bigger and more diverse. Commercial stations will drive innovation and lower costs. The future of low Earth orbit is open for business. The Axiom station will be a leap forward, designed for comfort, efficiency, and versatility. The first module, Axiom Hub 1, Features crew quarters by Philippe Starck, with large windows and high-speed data for a futuristic living experience. Specialized modules will follow, advanced labs, a glass-walled Earth observatory, and robust power systems. Axiom's partnerships with NASA and SpaceX ensure reliable launches and technical support. The station's design enables new science, manufacturing, and tourism opportunities. For researchers, it's a better lab. For businesses, a new factory. For tourists, an unparalleled view. Axiom isn't just replacing the ISS, it's building a multi-purpose platform for a new era. This is the next step in making space a place to live, work, and thrive. The orbital community is about to grow. Tiangong and Axiom Station mark a turning point. Space is no longer the domain of a single outpost. We're moving to a dynamic, diverse ecosystem in low Earth orbit. Tiangong's integrated design and efficient systems set a new benchmark for national stations. Axiom's commercial model opens space to more users, driving innovation and accessibility. These stations are stepping stones, orbital base camps for learning to live independently of Earth. They'll be places of discovery, innovation, and community. The lights of Tiangong and Axiom are not just passing stars, they're beacons of a new orbital age. Humanity's future in space is brighter, more open, and more ambitious than ever. The next chapter has already begun.